Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izani Elisa. I'm from Section 5 and my group is the Quintuplets. I'd like to say that my experience of the course was very unique and I'd like to create and tell stories as well as criticizing a film with my fellow group mates. It is more fun to do things as a group than to figure things out by myself. The only problems I encountered during the course was my insecurities. My group mates basically knew that I loved to write, but I wondered whether I was really that good. So, to overcome this negative thinking, I tried to write our script for the drama. I discussed with my group mates in about what should happen in each scene and how should we connect them together. Afterwards, I wrote the script. At first, I wasn't so sure about submitting it, but Madam's comment at the end really made me happy and more confident of my writing. I have made scripts before this. The first time I did, my English teacher criticized me on how I killed my characters too early in the story, and the second time I did, I had to redo it twice until my groupmates were satisfied with it. As of acting and filmmaking, I've actually done a few short scenes in UMS before, and for film critic, I've basically done it by myself by posting my opinions on the plot or the song choices. I think my experience of the course was very much related to my previous experiences. However, after taking the course, I've learned more than just doing it as an assignment. Like I've said before, I have done a similar kind of course like this in the past, and I think that I improved by being able to discuss with my fellow groupmates about scenes and the characteristics of our characters. I also improved in advancing a story without killing off a character. Also, I've become more accepting and have become more open minded when it comes to receiving criticism. This course was a good thing for me because it helped me improve in many ways, such as my writing skills, my people skills, my ability to discuss with my group mates, and my understanding of others.
Hi, I am Siti Nur Fazila binti Abdul Rasid, ECC Section 5. I am from Quintuplets group. Analysis question 1. Every time there is a new assessment or assignment, I feel excited because the assessment is not a typical one that is solely based on words and formats. For question 2, it's meaningful because it shows that even during ODL, I managed to get some new friends. Interconnectedness question 1. I learned the social skills where I am brave enough to tell my opinions without directly disagreeing to what my members have said. This is what I am going to apply in my daily life. Question 2. This course is similar to my English subject during metric, and I have experienced this kind of play reading drama. For personal growth questions, question 1. I have done it before. As I mentioned earlier, I am trying to improve myself by giving more and respond as fast as I can because I don't want any regrets and say, if only I had given more in the future. For the question 2, last question, this is emotionally important because this assessment affects my result or pointer. But this is also emotionally difficult because we are doing it during ODL, and I can't really feel the joy. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tipikate Wongxing from English Creative Communication Section 5 and the name of my group is the Quintuplets. For analysis, I will answer the question number 1 and 6. I think this course involves a lot of teamwork to do. I was concerned about it because we will be doing it virtually, but it turns out that everyone in my group is very cooperative with the task given, made me feel very grateful. This course requires me to do a lot of talking or any sort of interaction with my group mates, so most of the time meeting virtually with them while having the thoughts of not performing well really triggers my social anxieties. As for the interconnectedness, I will answer the question number 1 and 4. I learned how to do film critiques, acting, and how to elaborate more in my presentation so that it can be easily understood by other people. From this, it taught me how to enhance my communication and my writing skills that I think can boost my confidence in communicating in English without any hesitation. My experience as well as my groupmates' experience are quite similar, which is good because this course teaches us new things like play reading, and that also improves our writing skills while being able to learn to understand other people better through script writing. As for the personal growth, I will answer the question number 3 and 5. During the film critic assessment, we were compulsory to watch a movie, and that the movie that my group picked is highly related about the Hawaiian culture. So previously, I've never really taken much care about cultures from another country, but then the movie was able to deliver their culture and identity visually. So I find it fun and very easy to remember. This course has helped me to expand my perspectives, especially from the movie director's view or anyone that is working in the film industry. That movie making is quite a challenging task to do, and one must have the knowledge and creativity to create something that can truly attract people's attention. That is all from me, and I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to Madam June for this very fun experience and also to my group mates.
Hello, my name is Joanne Malap and I will talk about the analysis. The questions that make me happy is that do I have a talent with acting? Because this course involved with play reading that also need us to act out, but then I realized that I'm not that bad. Next, I expected that this course is going to be interesting for me because I love to watch movies and dramas. So as I expected, it was actually fun to actually experience acting, doing the script, finding the themes for the play, and so on. So it's actually fulfilled my expectations. Second is the interconnectedness. This course relates to the rest of my life in terms of manner in theater or cinema. Since manner is really important in theater or cinema, I won't distract or annoy other people, so I should keep this manner for the rest of my life. Next, with the experience that I have learned, I can help someone that wanted to try making movies, so I can guide them by arranging the scenes, how the story going to be, the script, the acting part, and so on. So lastly is for the personal growth. I will gladly take a similar course if I have the chance, because for me this course is really interesting and I like how I can turn my imaginations into a play reading or movies. Next, I think the experience will be the same if I did it again, but the things that I would do differently is that to act outdoors, finding real place for the scenes, discussing about the scenes face to face with my roommates, and experience filming the scenes. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Alistair Mafimakas and today I'm going to record about my personal review. Okay, first session is analysis. The first question is, what about this experience challenge me socially? For me, yes, it does change me socially. Like in our class, we are able to make a new friend and form a group to get work with. We are getting close to each other even though we are never meet face to face due to this corona pandemic. Okay, next question is, how this course unexpected or did it fulfill my expectation? For me, this course is fulfilling my personal expectation. Creative communication. After hearing that, the first thing come in my mind must be something about acting, drama, and play reading like we are doing lately. Okay, next session I'm going to answer is interconnectedness. First question, was my experience of this course as same as my group member or different? How is their experience different and why? On my observation, yes, my experience of this course is the same as my group member because we are never face any disagreement during this group assignment discussion. Plus, we are really having fun together as a group, and not to forget, most of them are movie lover. So next question is, how can this experience help me in my future career? To answer this question is, this experience helped me to be more confident speaking in front of people. So it will be easy for me to cooperate with my future coworker. Okay, next is personal growth. How has this course changed me or the way I think? For me, the course didn't change me that much or the way I think, but this course did improve my English, so it's a good thing. So next question is, would this experience will be the same if I did it again, or what might I have done differently? for me is yes, the experience will be the same as before, because this course is really fun to do, and I also can meet new people, so that's a good thing. Okay, that's all for me.